When performing characterization of alpha-beta phase fraction in titanium alloys, EM imaging data can pose challenges due to variation and noise. When measuring phase fraction, it is critical to exclude inclusions such as pores from the phase fraction calculation. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would annotate the image with the alpha-beta phases and select any pores. This manual process was prone to error and was extremely time-consuming. With MIPAR, operators can start with an existing dataset and generate a novel artificial intelligence model from their data, or put together a conventional solution to identify the information of interest. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect the phases and exclude the pores from any measurement. Once the phases have been identified, it is relatively straightforward to measure the phase fraction and print a report. For users who like the ability to oversee the detection process, in this conventional recipe, we see how easy it is to adjust the recipe sensitivity of the beta phase. Simply slide the sensitivity across and select accept. No need to repeat the steps for the alpha phase or manually select the pores. All these capabilities, detection, sensitivity adjustment, and the report generation, are also available when processing batches of images.